no, 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 no. It's gonna tear it off the tree. No, stop it. Stop it. Don't be a hero. Stop it. Stop it right now. No, stop it. Stop it. No. Down. Don't fall off. Down. There. No.
No.
No. Down. Down. There. There. Down. Down. No. No. You're gonna break it.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
What's up, TikTok? Today we're giving Spike, the 34-year-old tortoise, a bath and feeding him some apples. Here we go. First, Spike needs some exercise. Pool time. After Spike was done bobbing for apples, it was time to give him a wash. After Spike was all clean and cooled off, he was ready to head out. He ate some grass before he went back home to take his afternoon nap. Show Spike some love by smashing that like button.